Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we are exploring a tool that is completely changing the game for data analysis, Julius AI. Before we click around, let's talk about what Julius AI actually is. In short, Julius is your personal, highly intelligent data analyst built directly into your browser. Think of it as a bridge between raw, messy, intimidating data and beautiful, actionable insights, all powered by advanced AI and completely requiring zero coding skills. So, who is Julius AI made for? If you are a business owner trying to track inventory, forecast quarterly sales, or analyze customer behavior, Julius is for you. If you are a marketing professional trying to make sense of campaign metrics and conversion rates, Julius is for you. If you are a student or researcher crunching academic data for a thesis, or just someone who gets a headache looking at a massive spreadsheet, Julius is built specifically to make your life easier. It takes the complex math and coding out of data science and makes it accessible to the masses. Now, if you are interested in trying this out, please see the link in the description below to get access to this tool. I do have an affiliate link available down there. As an added bonus for checking out the video, make sure to apply the coupon code EXTRA10. That'll instantly slash 10% off your total at checkout. Again, that's code EXTRA10. Don't miss out on that. Now that you know what Julius is, let's look at how easy it is to use. This is the main dashboard you see when you log in. It is incredibly clean and designed to keep you focused. Right in the middle is your primary search bar, where you can type prompts in plain English, like run a regression or identify trends. On the left side, you have your navigation hub. This is where you can start a new task, look through your task library of previous chats, or manage your files. But before we upload any files, let's talk about setting up your workspace. If you click on the Settings gear, it brings up this Chat Settings menu. Under the General tab, you'll see an option for Appearance. Now, you can actually customize your interface here. For instance, right now we are in light mode, which is fantastic for daytime work, but with just a click, you can switch over to dark mode if you prefer a sleeker look that's easier on your eyes during late-night projects. I want to highlight this because customizing your workspace to fit your workflow makes spending time with your data a much better experience. We'll keep it on our default theme for this tutorial, but remember that you can easily toggle this whenever you like. If you are already familiar with AI, you might be sitting there wondering, why should I choose Julius AI? Why can't I just copy and paste my spreadsheet into a standard everyday chatbot like ChatGPT? That is probably the most common question people ask, and the answer comes down to how these different platforms are built under the hood. Standard language models are designed to predict text and have conversations. They aren't inherently designed to do complex math. When you feed a standard AI a heavy dataset with thousands of rows, it often loses context, skips vital data points, or worse, it hallucinates and confidently gives you numbers that are completely wrong. Julius, however, approaches your data completely differently. It is built with a powerful, dedicated computational engine. When you ask Julius a question about your spreadsheet, it doesn't just guess the answer based on language patterns. Instead, it actually writes debugs and runs real Python code in the background to analyze your data with absolute mathematical precision. You are essentially hiring a senior data scientist who works at lightning speed. You get all the accuracy, rigorous statistical testing, and advanced capabilities of a programmer, without ever having to write or even look at a single line of code yourself. But its power goes beyond just crunching numbers. Let's take a closer look at these dedicated quick select options right below the main text area. You'll notice several specialized agents like Browser Agent, Build Website, Excel, and Worse Slides. These allow you to laser focus the AI on your specific workflow. For instance, if you select the Excel agent, Julius knows to speak the language of complex formulas, macros, and pivot tables. If you switch to the Slides agent, it shifts gears to help you structure compelling presentations and format your data specifically for a visual audience. It even has tools to search the live web for context or generate images to supplement your reports. By tailoring its environment exactly to what you are trying to accomplish, Julius cuts out the endless back-and-forth prompting and knows exactly how to format its help. Ultimately, it saves you hours of frustrating, manual busywork. Let's see it in action. To start any analysis, you first need to bring your data into the workspace. Julius gives you two highly flexible ways to do this. First, you can use the Data Connectors menu on the left. This is an absolute game changer if you work with live business data. You can seamlessly link out-of-the-box connections to platforms like Postgres, Snowflake, Google BigQuery, and even Google Drive or Google Ads. The best part is that there are no complex ETL pipelines or setup scripts required. You just connect your source and instantly start asking questions in plain English. Alternatively, if you are working with static files, you can simply upload them directly from your computer using the attachment button right here in the text box. Now, here is a massive advantage. While generic AI chatbots often crash or refuse to process files larger than 20 or 50 megabytes, Julius is built to handle massive enterprise datasets. Depending on your plan, it supports file sizes up to 32 gigabytes. Furthermore, it is incredibly versatile. It supports formats including standard CSV and Excel files, PDFs, JSON data, and even images. For this tutorial, let's imagine we are uploading a standard monthly sales spreadsheet. Once the file is attached, you don't need to write any lookup formulas. You just talk to Julius like a colleague. I'll type, "Please analyze this data set and give me a summary of the key trends." When you click the send arrow, Julius immediately goes to work. What's incredible is that you can also use Julius to clean your data before analyzing it. For example, you can ask it to identify missing values, remove duplicate entries, or flag extreme outliers so your final report is perfectly accurate. Once it maps the columns, it generates a comprehensive breakdown. It will instantly calculate key metrics like your total revenue, point out your highest selling products, and even spot statistical anomalies, like an unexpected dip in sales during October. And here is my ultimate pro tip for getting elite presentation-ready results. Give the AI a specific persona. Instead of asking for a basic summary, try prompting it with something like, "Act as a senior financial analyst," and find 3 areas in this dataset where we are losing margin. Giving Julius a professional role completely changes the tone, the formatting, and the strategic depth of its insights, giving you boardroom-ready answers in seconds. Finding the insights hidden within your spreadsheet is really only half the battle. The other half, and arguably the more important half, is how effectively you can present those findings to your team, your boss, or your clients. Most people dread this part because building advanced charts from scratch can be incredibly tedious. But this is exactly where Julius AI's visualization capabilities become a standout feature. Let's take the sales data we just analyzed and visualize it. I am going to prompt Julius, "Create a bar chart showing total revenue by product category." Within a matter of seconds, Julius generates an interactive chart right here in the chat workspace. You can even hover over the data points to see the exact numbers. Now, while this default chart is accurate, we want to take it a step further. When you are building a presentation, you never want to settle for the standard out-of-the-box look. Here are 3 essential design tips you can simply type into Julius to make your charts look highly professional. First, customize your colors. Don't just settle for standard blue or generic color scales. You can be highly specific with the AI. Tell Julius, use a professional warm pastel color palette. You can even request specific color combinations to match your company's branding, or provide exact hex codes, and Julius will apply them flawlessly. Second, declutter the visual space. Less is always more in data design. I highly recommend asking the AI to remove the background grid lines, hide the y-axis line, and put the data labels directly on top of the bars. By removing that extra visual noise, your audience doesn't have to bounce their eyes back and forth to understand the values. It looks infinitely cleaner and more modern on a slide. Third, always sort your data. Never leave your chart looking like a random, chaotic skyline. Always tell Julius to sort the bars in descending order. A chart that neatly stair-steps down is so much easier for the human brain to process, allowing your audience to spot the top performer in a split second. Just look at the transformation and how clean this final output is. We went from raw numbers to a stunning publication-ready graphic in under a minute. From here, you can easily click to download this directly as a high-resolution image file and slide it right into your business presentations or reports. It is the ultimate shortcut to looking like a data visualization expert. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, we've gone from introducing what Julius AI is to showing you how to customize the workspace settings, prompt like an analyst, and generate beautiful visual charts. It is a massive time saver that levels the playing field for anyone who works with data. Once again, if you are interested in unlocking this tool's power, please check the link in the description below. Remember to use my affiliate link and be sure to apply that coupon code EXTRA10 at checkout to slash 10% off your total. If this tutorial helped demystify data analysis for you, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more AI tools and tutorials, and drop a comment letting me know what dataset you're planning to analyze first. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.